here with our 69 Chevelle. Can't wait for you guys to see what we have in store with this car. Right now it's gold, but that's going to be changing. So stay tuned and watch us as we go through the transformation. First step, break this thing down for paint.
Several days later.
What's up, RestoMods? We're here at SV Autobody and Paint, checking out some of their killer work on you guys' next giveaway car, the Chevelle. They brought it down to bare metal here. We're gonna shave a few things on the side, you know, probably the side markers, some of the moldings that this thing had. We're gonna go with more of like an SS look that didn't have the side moldings. And we'll debadge it. I think everyone knows this is a Chevelle, so we wanna clean it up and maybe debadge the Chevelle logos. This car used to be gold. You guys may have saw it in some of our previous videos. And we're going with a different color. We kind of like the gold. Some of you guys like the gold, but we got to go with something with a little more mass appeal because we don't know who's going to be getting this car. There's going to be a big surprise coming in for you guys in this area, so stay tuned for that. But these guys are crushing it here at SV Autobody. We really appreciate their work. We've worked with them before. They did some stuff on the RM5, I believe it was a Cobra, and some paint work for us. So it's in good hands here for you guys. We've done a Chevelle before. I think the last Chevelle we did was a black one. It's gonna be a killer car. I can't wait to see this thing progress. The next process, they're gonna be starting to do some body work on it. Just get this thing laser straight for you guys before the new paint goes down.
Now give me a clap. You're ready to go.
All right. Can we turn it down a little bit? Just for a second? I don't mind it, but... What's up, RestoMods? We're here at SV Body and Paint again, checking in on the Chevelle, your guys' next RM build. Let's do a quick walk around. They've been making some killer progress on it. We got some of the stuff being shaved off of it. You can kind of see where the turn signal indicators, some badging. We had some moldings down here that are getting shaved, going for more like the SS look. Shaved these as well, just trying to clean it up for you guys. Just really focus on the body lines of this car, shave these emblems. But you can see how nice this car was to start with. I mean, as far as these old cars go, I said it before, but this one was really clean. These are all original panels, not really any damage here. We had a little bit of a patch here that they fixed and bodyworking now. Doing it right. Just wanted to check in with you guys, show you some progress. Alright, so we're here looking at some paint samples for the 69 Chevelle. This is obviously the whole trunk painted in a nice darker gray, but we're comparing it to the paint swatch there that's actually a Porsche GT silver. Tough decision. I like the silver. I think we should do the silver. We're back at SV Body and Paint, checking out some progress on the Chevelle. So you can see the car's all in primer. It's really close to being ready to spray. So next time you see us, we'll probably be giving you an update with maybe some color on this car. That should be happening soon. Up, RestoMods fans, we're back here at the shop. We've got the 69 Chevelle back from Body and Paint. So we're really excited. You can see how good it's looking here. This is that GT Silver we talked about. It came out killer on the car. This car has a lot more hard lines than a Porsche, which this color is originally from. So all these edges add a lot of really cool like shadow and dimension to the color. Came out a lot cooler than we expected, and we're super excited to have it back in the shop and get cracking on it. The color came out beautiful. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Looks real good in the sun too. So we're gonna keep cranking on this thing now that we got it back, start putting it together, do a ton of upgrades. We got something real special in store for the engine that we've kind of teased. You guys probably, if you follow us on social media, you may have kind of already seen what we're dropping in the engine bay, but we'll talk more about that in another episode. But make sure you guys stay tuned and stick with us and follow the progress on this. as we put back together your guys' 69 Chevelle. And make sure you check out RestoMods.com to get entered to win our current sweepstakes car.